Practice English verbs. Listen carefully. Then repeat after me. Eat. Go. See. Sample sentences. Eat. I eat rice every day. Go. I go to school. See. I see a bird. Come. Take. Give. Sample sentences. Please come here. I take a photo. She gives me a gift. Say. Tell. Ask. Sample sentences. Say, he says hello. Tell, I tell a story. Ask, I ask a question. Know. Think. Understand. Sample sentences. No, she knows the answer. Think, I think it is easy. Understand. I understand you. Run, walk, jump. Run, I run in the park. Walk, I walk to school. Jump, he jumps over the puddle. Swim, drive, climb. Swim, she swims every morning. Drive, I drive to work. Climb, we climb the hill.